Hey everyone, welcome to Hammerspace Workshop, Kansas City's Makerspace. We're hard at work preparing for Maker Faire Kansas City 2016, and every year we've brought something amazing to Maker Faire, from quantum encabulators to Starship Bridge simulators, claw machines, and robotic water guns. So this year we had to outdo ourselves and make something really amazing. This year I present the push-button receive bacon machine.
911, what is your emergency?
I nailed my finger to a birdhouse accidentally.
Do you have some bacon?
Bacon?
That's
I
right.
had bacon left over from dinner last night.
Rub the bacon on it.
What?
On your hand, just do it. Rub the bacon on it.
That's all there is to it? What if I drop my phone?
Rub the bacon on it.
Or encounter my phone?
Rub the bacon on it.
I get mononucleosis.
Rub the bacon on it.
My nude pics get posted.
Rub some bacon on it. Rub some bacon on it. Rub some bacon on it, yeah.
My home gets foreclosed.
Rub the bacon on it.
My cat explodes.
Rub the bacon on it.
I wake up in a trunk.
Rub the bacon on it.
My friend goes steampunk.
Rub the bacon on it.
I meet real
Rub
pirates.
the bacon on it.
There's an awkward silence.
I smell bacon. Does anyone else smell bacon?
Yeah, I definitely smell a pork product of some type.